Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to download or install SABC Plus app on your Android devices. So without wasting time, here follow these steps very carefully. So open Play Store on your Android phones, then tap on search and then search for SABC Plus and then search for it and then tap on it. And here you will see SABC Plus app and you will see the install button. So click on install button. And here you can see that SABC Plus app is getting installed on my Android phone. So this is how you can also follow the same steps to download or install SABC Plus app on your Android phone. And then you can click on open to open it. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.